What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are. Either way, hope you're having a great day or you'll have a great day. But in this video, I wanted to take a quick look at Leverfi, previously Ramp. But what happened yesterday is that the whole redenomination and the brand change and stuff was completed on Binance, so this whole move kind of counts as a listing on Binance. Not really, but it is perceived that way, I believe, because initially we just moved flat at around 0.13 cents, very low, but you know what I mean. And then starting today at the beginning of the morning, we actually got a move all the way up to 0.25 cents. 0.25 cents, that is correct. Found resistance there because that's a psychological resistance level, and now we're at around that 0.35 cents area, which is also a minor psychological key level, but still that's a great thing, and it definitely shows that it's not over yet. We've just, as you can see, and this is really micro analyzing, right? So first of all, I think Leverfi is doing great things. They were prepared for this whole brand change and they worked hard towards it, and that definitely shows in this price, but also the volume. Volume is great. A lot of people have anticipated this, and apart from that, it's a very interesting project. So if you don't know it, or if you want to know more about it, just check them out at leverfi.io and on medium.com for their blogs. I think they have 2 right now, but it's still here. That's still very interesting to read. It's relatively new. And I think change and innovation, such as what they've done by converting from Ramp to Leverfi, that's something that takes balls, so to say. And I think that's a great thing too. So I would definitely check that out. I'm not sure what the market cap is right now, which that's going to be quite interesting, because for Ramp, it actually used to be, and hopefully you don't mind that we get into the project a little bit more. For Ramp, it used to be around 50 million, yeah, at the height, which was in September, it was 180 million. So right now, you know, it really depends what the market cap is right now on if I actually think we can get higher than this. So what I expect on the short term, and we might actually see that happen, is that we will find support here at this 0.31 cents area, that we get a break retest, and I expect us to at least get up to 0.4 cents. And then from there we'll see again. If 0.4 cents breaks on the 15-minute time frame, next level is 0.45, and then level after that is 0.5, right? Half a cent. Both are equally possible. I do expect that 4 cents area, and then from there it's just a matter of, can we actually keep up that momentum? So right now, for example, as long as we're above this level right here, around 0.25 cents, I think we can still get higher. So even if we do something like this, I still think we can get up to 0.4 cents. And then when we reach 0.4 cents, we should stay above 0.3 cents, and that's 0.31 cent area. As long as we stay above that, I think we can reach 0.5 cents and on and on. So if there are any updates, and if you have any questions depending on what the price does today, let me know down in the comments. I'll stay active today, and I'll keep analyzing it to respond to that. For now though, as I said, I think Leverfi and Lever remains bullish as long as we stay above this level right here at, let's say, 0.25 cents. I would argue it's still bullish at around 0.25 cents, so as long as we're above here, we're good, and we can still get higher towards that 0.4 cents at first. If that breaks though, we might have a problem, because if that breaks, if 0.25 cents breaks, we'll probably drop down to 0.2 cents at first and find support there, and then afterwards probably drop down to more like 0.15 cents, which would be quite a big drop, but unfortunately that is still very possible too, because this does count as a bull run. Some bull runs can actually continue and hold their levels, but other ones will drop down quite heavily. So if we don't hold our level at 0.25 cents, which I think is the most important level, I think we'll drop down, right? So a lot of things can happen. I think it's more likely that we'll at least get up to 0.4 cents, but then again, I don't know the future. So that's basically my analysis for now on Leverfi. If you do have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. For now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.